Welcome children to the another lecture of nutrition in animal. This is Vikesh from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. As you know that we have already completed mouth, esophagus, then stomach. Now we are moving toward the small intestine. Then we have discussed about the liver, gallbladder and pancreas. As we already discussed in the small intestine that the digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. The small intestine receives bile from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. So as you can see in the diagram, this is a structure of liver, this is a structure of pancreas, and this is a small structure that is called a gallbladder. So what is the work of liver and how it is look like? The liver secrete biles which plays an important role in the digestion of fat. Bile is stored in an organ called gallbladder before being released into the small intestine. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. It is reddish brown in color. Liver is about 2 kg in weight. Actually what will happen, this liver will produce a bile which directly not release into the small intestine. It will release and collect into the gallbladder, and when the small intestine needed bile, this gallbladder time to time will supply bile into the small intestine. Now the second gland is a pancreas. Pancreas produce pancreatic juice. It can produce about 2 liters of pancreatic juice per day. 2 liters of pancreatic juice per day. This pancreatic juice helps to break down of carbohydrate into sugar, proteins into amino acid, and fats into fatty acid and glycerol. While you are eating a food, you can eat a different kind of a nutrient, and this is a work of these glands which can produce bile or the pancreatic juice to take out all the nutrient from the different kind of a food. Now we are moving to the another part. As you remember, we have discussed that human digestive system will be completed into the 5 process, that is a ingestion, digestion and absorption. So now we are moving into the absorption process. Digestion continues in the small intestine. The main job of the small intestine is to absorb the nutrient obtained as a result of digestion. Digestion process can be done into the stomach only, and afterward the food will reaches into the small intestine, and small intestine is work to absorb all the nutrient which is present into the food. Now how it will absorb? The lining of the small intestine has finger like projection called villi. It is a plural and singular is called villus, that increase the surface area of the lining of small intestine. Each villus has a network of fine blood vessels. Nutrients are absorbed into the blood and supply to the whole body where the nutrients are required. Now as you can see, this is a structure of villi. They are just look like your finger. Inside the villi, the villis are having a dot on the outside of the surface, and inside the villi is completely covered with the blood capillaries, and these blood capillary will absorb glucose, amino acid, minerals and vitamins. These blood absorb the nutrient and supply all the nutrient to the whole body part inside the cell. So this is how the villi will help to increase the surface area of the small intestine to absorb more and more food nutrient. I will give you a small example. Just like if I will give you a gloves and ask you to hold the slippery thing, you cannot hold because it is slippery, but in place of a plain gloves I will give you a dotted gloves. Then you can hold the things very firmly whether it is slippery or not, because these dotted gloves can increase the surface area and you can hold more easily the slippery thing. The same, these villus can hold the food nutrient very easily. That's why these blood capillaries can absorb more and more nutrient from the food and supply inside the body cell. So today we have discussed about the liver, which can secrete bile, pancreas, which can secrete pancreatic juice, and gallbladder can store bile, which is released by the liver. And then we have discussed about the villi, how they will increase the absorption process more effectively inside the small intestine with the help of a finger-like structure. Thank you.